Hi students, welcome to our physics class now. So in this class we are going to learn about resistors in parallel. So we are going to derive the formula 1 by R is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So it is a topic in electric current chapter in 10th class physics and also 12th class physics in current electricity. So what about resistors in parallel? So we know students, a conductor having resistance is called a resistor. So now what about resistors in parallel? When the first ends of all resistors connected to one common point and the second ends are connected to another common point, then they are said to be in parallel. So you can see there are three resistors having resistance R1, R2, R3. All their first terminals or first ends are connected to common point P and the second terminals are connected to common point Q. From that they are connected to SL having potential difference V. So let three resistors having resistances R1, R2, R3 are connected in parallel as shown in the above figure. So we know that when the resistors are connected in parallel, the potential difference across the resistors remains the same. So you can see it is denoted by V. So potential difference in the circuit is V and across the resistors also V, students. Potential difference remains constant. But current flowing in the circuit is I, but this I from the point P, you can see it splits as I1, I2, I3. So current is splitting across the resistors R1, R2, R3 as I1, I2, I3. But again after the common point Q, so these I1, I2, I3 are combined and coming out as I. So when the resistors are connected in the parallel, potential difference remains the same but current splits. So that is why current flowing in the circuit I is given as I1 plus I2 plus I3, which is equation 1. So from Ohm's law we know that students V is equals to IR, then I is equals to V by R. So current flowing through R1 is I1. So you can see in the figure through R1 I1, through R2 I2, through R3 current flowing is I3. So from Ohm's law the formula for I1 is V by R1. Similarly through the resistor R2, I2 is V by R2. Similarly, I3 is V by R3. Substitute all these in the equation 1, students. You can get that equation. This equation is taken as 2. So let the total resistance of three resistors in parallel is capital R. And potential difference in the circuit is V. Current flowing through them is I. So from Ohm's law again we can get I is equals to V by R. It means the total resistance of three resistors is taken as capital R. Potential difference is V and current is I. So substitute I is equals to V by R in the equation 2. So now you can cancel that and we can get the equation 1 by R is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, students. So this is the derivation of total resistance of the resistors when they are connected in parallel. So you can see again from top to bottom,